Tamanna Bhatia and Vijay Varma's love story has come to a sad end. According to a popular publication recently, they broke up weeks ago, but they've continued to remain friends. For fans who loved their chemistry, it's a very heartbreaking moment. But what exactly happened there? Tamanna Bhatia and Vijay Varma's love story started in 2023 when they were spotted together for the very first time at a New Year's Eve bash. But both of them remained pretty tight-lipped about their relationship for a very long time. But then came the launch where both of them shared screen space during Love Stories 2. And everybody found out about their cooking romance. In an interview during that time, Tamanna called Vijay Varma her happy place. And soon after that, Vijay Varma also spoke about Tamanna on multiple occasions, mentioning and indicating that there's something brewing between the two of them. Vijay Varma and Tamanna Bhatia were often spotted together after that. Screenings, events, launches, the couple was always together. But they chose not to make any big announcement about their relationship. Of course, fans knew that these two lovebirds are together. A few months ago, wedding rumors started to float. Tamanna Bhatia was asked about her wedding plans. And she said, शादी भी हो सकती है, क्यों नहीं? However, it seems that now, after all of that wedding chatter, Tamanna Bhatia and Vijay Varma have decided to part ways. They remain on good terms, but there is no wedding bells anytime soon, and reportedly, this couple has broken up. Now, are curious, is this yet again a couple's publicity stunt? Are they waiting for the fans to ask them to get back together and something new will brew in a couple of months again? I don't know. PR stunt or not, I'm a big fan of this couple and I really want them to get back together. A popular publication recently reported that a source close to the couple said that the two of them had parted ways weeks ago, but continue to remain strong friends. They are currently really busy with their professional lives and both of them are focused on their careers. वैसे this career वाला excuse तो हम सभी देते हैं. Let's hope that these two get back together. So what's next for Tamanna Bhatia and Vijay Varma? Vijay Varma has been earning accolades for his acting in various films and web series. He's clearly here to stay. Tamanna Bhatia, on the other hand, she was last seen in Aaj Ki Raat's The Item Number in Stree 2. She is highly focused on her South Indian film career as well as on the Bollywood songs and films that she's doing. Even though sadly their relationship has come to an end, I know that we can always respect them for maturely handling the entire breakup news and being focused and respected on their acting careers. So to be honest, being a Tamanna Bhatia and Vijay Varma fan, I'm really vouching for this couple to get back together. PR stunt or not PR stunt, eventually we are all hoping that these two will come back together. Are you hoping for the same? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Chai and Churan because here's where you'll get all the Churan. So like, share and subscribe.